Discover the wonders of cork fabric. Learn what it is and how to use it in this comprehensive guide. Perfect for every material enthusiast. As a natural material, cork fabric is lightweight, soft, water-resistant, durable, and ultra-breathable. This guide will introduce you to the basics of cork fabric and show you how to make the most of this amazing material. What is cork fabric? Cork fabric is a handcrafted, eco-friendly material created from cork that has been harvested sustainably. It is highly durable and known for its softness and water-resistant qualities, making it perfect for bags, shoes, footwear, wallets, and many more items. Unlike animal fabric, cork fabric is vegan-friendly and doesn't require any chemical treatments. This makes it a great choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. How is it made? Cork fabric is made using a multi-step process. The first step involves harvesting the cork oak bark in sustainable ways, ensuring that the tree's health is not compromised. Once the bark is collected, it will be boiled and dried before being processed into sheets of cork fabric, which are then cut, stamped, and dyed as desired. Finally, any imperfections or markings will be removed to create a perfect piece of cork fabric. What are the benefits of cork fabrics? As it is a natural material, cork fabric has many redeeming factors. Not only is it incredibly durable and long-lasting, it is also water-resistant, lightweight, and malleable, making it very easy to work with and suitable for a variety of applications. It also doesn't require any additional chemicals or treatments. Furthermore, cork fabric is vegan-friendly, meaning no animals have been used or harmed in its production. What products can you make with cork fabric? Cork fabric is a versatile material, and with the right know-how, you can make all kinds of items from it. Popular products include backpacks, wallets and purses, tote bags, laptop cases, and phone cases. Cork fabric can also be used in bookmaking projects for covers for journals or diaries. It's even possible to make jewelry pieces such as necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. HZCORK is a leading supplier of cork products manufacturing. Our capabilities cover wholesale cork fabric production, cork product processing and design, and custom cork products. You can customize all kinds of cork design solutions. No matter the quantity, you will get the best solution. Browse our website for free catalogs and real-time quotes.